keep warm in a cold room? You go to the corner, because it's always 90 degrees. Why can't Dalmatians play hide and seek? They are always spotted. What's a computer's favorite beat? An algorithm. What do you get when you put a vest on an alligator? An investigator. Why wouldn't a shrimp share its treasure? Because it was shellfish. You ever tried to eat a clock? It's very time-consuming. Why did the man get fired from the calendar factory? Because he tried to take a month off.